students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 7.11. So let's take up the first subdivision, integral between 1 to e, 1 plus log x, the whole thing by 2x dx. So first we can take this 2 which is in the denominator as common. So this is going to be 1 by 2, integral between 1 to e, 1 plus log x, the whole thing divided by x dx. Now I'm going to substitute this entire numerator 1 plus log x is equal to t. So let's do this. So 1 plus log x is equal to t. So 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So this whole expression we are going to substitute as dt. So the integration will change as 1 by 2 integral t dt because this is gone. Now let's work on changing the limits. So when I put log 1 on the lower limit, I have to put x is equal to 1. So log 1 is 0. So t's value will be 1 plus 0 is 1. Now let's put the log value or the upper limit value of e. So log e is going to be equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the upper limit is modified as 2. Now let's perform this integration. So this is 1 by 2 into t squared divided by 2 between the limits 1 to 2. So I can take this 2 also outside. So 1 by 4 of t squared between the limits 1 to 2. So this is 1 by 4 into 2 squared is 4 minus 1 squared is 1. So this is 3 by 4. So the value of the first integration is 3 by 4. Now let's perform the second integration. In the second integration also, we are going to put 1 plus log x is equal to t. So let's do this. So 1 plus log x is equal to t, which means 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So this dx by x will be replaced by dt. So this is integral. Now I'm going to put this as t. So this is 1 by t squared into dt. Now let's work on the limits. So when I put x is equal to 1, so this means log 1 which is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So the lower limit is going to be 1. So let's put the upper limit as log of, x is equal to 2. So log 2 plus 1 or 1 plus log 2. So we will put it like that itself. Now let's do the integration for this. So 1 by t square on integration is minus 1 by t. I have this limit 1 to 1 plus log 2. Now we are going to apply the limits. So minus of 1 divided by 1 plus log 2. Now minus into minus is plus 1 by 1. Or simply return this is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus log 2. So if you want, we can take LCM for this particular expression. So this will become 1 plus log 2 minus 1, the whole divided by 1 plus log 2. So this and this will get cancelled. So the final answer for this integration will be log 2 divided by 1 plus log 2. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.